Hello everyone. This video is about to create Vlan in Gpon OLT. Click Vlan in the top menu bar. Click the Create Vlan button. Enter Vlan range separated by comma and continued by hyphen. Tag or untag the ports of your choice. Click the Apply button to make changes effective. Also, you can rename VLANs of your choice. Let's also rename other VLANs. Let's view some port VLAN functions. We are changing GE01 port type to trunk. Adding some VLANs will work as tagged VLANs. We can remove VLANs anytime. Also can set default VLAN. Let's view some switch port functions. Here we can set admin state, transmit speed, etc. Let's add some description to the port. Thank you for being with us. Visit hsgq.com not only for product queries, also for support and solutions.